Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can embed a Vimeo video inside your LearnDash LMS system. So if I go to plugins, add new, I'm going to need to upload my LearnDash plugin. And so Vimeo provides us a couple of ways to embed a Vimeo video. We can either do it with an embed link, or we could do it with some HTML embeds, and I'm going to show you both ways in this video. So jumping back, now that I have LearnDash installed, let's go ahead and create a sample course. That's weird. There. Okay, cool. Let's create a sample course. This will be my Vimeo test course. Perfect. Publish that. And now let's jump into the builder, new section heading. Section 1, add heading, new lesson, lesson 1. So now that we have a lesson created inside of our course, let's go ahead and update it so we can jump to our edit lesson page. And here we can add in WordPress blocks, and I would usually recommend using the Vimeo block and then jumping back over to Vimeo. When I'm editing my Vimeo video, I have this share link option, and I'm going to copy that share link. And I can embed that share link right here on my WordPress LearnDash page. So if I update and view the lesson, that video will be available right there in my lesson formatting. And the nice thing about having this available in the block editor is that you can also introduce column layouts, you can introduce tab layouts, you can do all kinds of fancy things with the video. If you wanted to do maybe a 50-50 section layout, what we could do is say put the Vimeo video in this column, and then in this column put some heading. This be lesson description, something like that. Boom. And so we could really customize the way that this looks. And the other option to embed a Vimeo video inside of a WordPress LearnDash lesson would be this HTML option. If I click on embed when I'm over here on Vimeo, it gives me this source code, which is some HTML that I can copy and then bring over into my lesson editor, and I would do the HTML block, and then we'll just paste our HTML, and we can customize what the width is of this. If we look at the HTML here, we can change the padding, we can change positioning, and we can even add some CSS here in the styling if we wanted to do that. I usually recommend using the share link because it's super simple and it'll be responsive inside of WordPress. But if you are looking for the HTML code, that is available as well. Those are the two main ways that I embed videos inside of LearnDash lessons. Let me know in the comments of this video if you have any questions about creating courses in WordPress, creating courses in LearnDash, or any other specific LearnDash questions, and we can dive into any questions you have there. My name is Will Middleton from WP Course Guide. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.